Good day to everyone. So I am here again, teacher CJ, to teach you mathematics. Sam bought a popsicle. Can you tell us how many popsicle does Sam bought? Okay, so if we will count this one group or bundle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can see that one bundle of popsicle stick is equal to 10 in each. So we can see that in one bundle there is 10 popsicle, in the other another 10 popsicle, another 10 popsicle, and we have loose popsicles. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 loose popsicles. So how many popsicles does he bought? Okay, so we will count them all by skip counting by tens. 10, 20, 30 plus 6, that is 36. So we can say that Sam bought 36 popsicles. To show 36, we can say that 3 bundles of 10 popsicles each and 6 loose popsicle sticks. So if we will put our 3 bundles of 10 popsicle stick and 6 loose popsicle in our place value table, 3 would be in your tens and your ones would be 6. So we have 3 tens and 6 ones. So which is more easier to count? Counting forward or making bundles of tens and ones? Okay, so because there is a lot of popsicle sticks that Sam bought, it's more easier for us if we will do the bundles of tens and ones. So today we will learn about regrouping ones as tens in our second lesson in our block 4. So this would be our aim for today. I want you to pause the video and write the following in your notebook. Pause the video and write the following in your notebook. Aim for today. Students will be able to regroup sets of ones as tens for numbers up to 99. Aim for today. Students will be able to regroup sets of tens or ones as tens for numbers up to 99. Okay, I guess everybody is done writing our aim for today. We will proceed with our activity. So this would be our instruction for our activity. Count or write the number of tens and ones in your notebook. Again, count and write the number of tens and ones in your notebook. So let's have first activity. It's asking for how many bundles of tens and ones. Okay, always remember the bundle of tens is represent for 10 popsicle sticks. So how many bundles do we have on the screen? We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 bundles of tens. How many ones? When you say ones, it is the loose popsicle. So we'll count 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. So how many loose popsicles? Very good. It's 2. So we have 2 tens. So we got the bundles of tens and ones. That is 4 bundles of tens and 2 ones. We can now identify how many popsicle sticks are there. So if we will form this one into tens and ones, we have 4 tens, 2 ones. So how many is the popsicle into number or numeral? Very good, that is 42. Now that you know how to find the bundles of tens and ones, I want you to answer letter A and B. I want you to answer letter A and B. Pause the video and answer the following in your notebook. I'll give you time to finish it. Time is up. So I guess everybody is then answering our activity A and B. So let's find how many bundles and one bundle of tens and ones to identify how many is the total number of our popsicle sticks in each set. So let's have letter A. How many bundles of tens and ones are there? The first thing we need to do is to count our bundles of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many bundles of tens do we have? Very good. We have 6 bundles of tens. How about the ones? When you say ones, it represents for the loose popsicle sticks. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones? Very good. We have 4 ones. So what would be our tens and ones? That is 6 tens and 4 ones. So the number or the total number of popsicle sticks we have in set A is 64. Did you got the correct answer? Very good. Let's have letter B. Again, in letter B, we need to find out how many bundles of tens and ones. So we'll count with the bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 bundles of tens. So how many loose popsicle sticks are there to represent our ones? So we'll count the loose sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 loose popsicle sticks as ones. So how many tens and ones do we have in set B? Okay, so as you can see in our answers, we have 8 tens and 6 ones. So how many is the total number of our popsicle sticks in set B? Okay, very good. That is 86. So how do we call this task of making bundles of tens and ones? What do we call this task of making bundles of tens and ones? Very good. This task of making tens and ones that we do in our activity is known as regrouping. Again, this task of making tens and ones is known as regrouping. So, in our activity, we do the finding of the bundle of tens, and the loose stick, which is ones, is what we called regrouping. So how do we write the numbers? Always remember that the first digit that we need to write is your tens, and the second digit as your ones. Again, first digit would be your tens and your second as ones to write your number. So let's have a more higher thinking or skills activity. So write the numbers as tens and ones. Example, 22. So what is the tens and ones of our 22? Very good. That is 2 tens, 2 ones. So now it's your turn to answer the following in your notebook. Again, pause the video and answer the following to find out what is the tens and ones of the following numbers. Time is up. So I guess everybody is done answering with our last activities for finding the tens and ones. We can now find out if your answer is correct. Let's have letter A, 79. So what would be the tens and ones of our given number? Very good. That is 7 tens, 9 ones. Did you got the correct answer? Very good. How about letter B? We have 98. So in 98, we have 9 tens and 8 ones. How about letter C, 53? Very good. We have 5 tens, 3 ones. And the last one would be 80. So as you can see, our tens is 8. So we can say that 8 tens. Do we need to say 0 ones? No more. So you just need to write 8 tens because 0 has no value. So we can say that 80 is equal to 8 tens. So great job or good job doing well for our activity for today. Now that you know how to find out your tens and ones and find your bundles of tens and the loose stick popsicle stick as your ones, I want you to get your workbook and answer page 21. Sit work number 2, regrouping ones as tens. Again, answer your workbook in page 21. Sit work number 2. regrouping one's as tense. And do not forget also to answer your practice question as your assignment. Numbers 1 to 3 in page 39. Again, do not forget to answer your content book practice questions 1 to 3, page 39 in your notebook. So that would be all for today. God bless.